How you doing? In today's video, I'm going to give you 2 bonuses that are the key to making thousands of dollars online with affiliate marketing. So you're going to want to stay to the end of this video. So let's get into it. Okay, so first let me talk about what affiliate marketing is if you're new to the online world. I know some of you probably already are asking that question right now, so I'm going to break it down for you real quick. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting another business for a commission. Whether it's a product, service, or software, there's no customer service, there's no buying or selling of physical products, there's no shipping involved on your part. The only job as an affiliate marketer is to drive traffic to the other business, sales, or product page. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't actually have to sell the product. And that's what a lot of people get confused about. Their job is to just drop the traffic and this other business job to actually sell the product. In my opinion, affiliate marketing is the best way for beginners to start making money online. So what do you actually need to get started with affiliate marketing and go from zero to making your first $1,000 as a newbie? It's actually pretty simple, and you only need 3 things. The first one is a good high-ticket front-end affiliate offer, and you can get this by working with a good quality high-ticket affiliate partner. Second is the back-end offer that complements the front-end offer. Now, I'm going to give you the exact specifics about how you're going to use that, but I'm also going to give you a back-end offer for you to use as well. Now, the third thing is really important. It's to provide value to your audience to give quality content, kind of like what I'm doing right now. This is the key to being able to get your affiliate marketing business started absolutely for free. Use some free traffic methods because when you first get started out, you probably don't have too much money to have a big ad budget or anything like that, or not even have too much money to spend on your new online business. I'm going to show you the exact way that I was able to do this with completely free traffic. And if you do this right, you won't have to spend a single dime on ads, okay? So how do you actually make your first $1,000 as an affiliate marketer? I know you probably asking that question in your head right now saying, David, just get to the point. So let's get right into the strategy. So what you see on the screen right now is a funnel. Now a funnel is an online sequence that takes people through a sales process using simple web pages. Now you can build a funnel using an online funnel builder, and I'm actually going to give you the one that I chose because it's the easiest to use and is actually the least expensive. And it also includes an email autoresponder, which I'll get into in a moment. So let's break down the process that you see on the screen right now. Now, the opt-in page actually serves 2 purposes. First, I'll walk you through the funnel sequence, and then we're going to go through the email part, which you see right here. So step 1 of the funnel process is to always drive traffic. So the free traffic source that I think was Facebook Reels. Facebook Reels are new right now, and they allow us to put links in the comments so that when people ask questions, we can easily direct people to where we want to send them to our offer. You don't want to automatically put links in your comments until somebody asks for. The more people engage with your Reels, the more Facebook will push your content out there for other people to see. So don't put a link to your landing page or your funnel in every post. For this funnel sequence right here, I created a brand new Facebook account and started creating content that I knew my audience was interested in. After they saw the content and responded, I gave them a clear call to action to go and visit the link. Now from here, once you click the link, you get sent to what is called the opt-in page. The opt-in page is actually the first step of the actual funnel sequence. And the great thing about the funnel is that all of what I'm going to explain to you next happens automatically in its exact sequence. You don't have to be getting this manually. The only thing you have to do in the front end is start driving traffic to the funnel. So what the opt-in page does is it gives people a piece of information. It tells them a little bit more about the affiliate offer, and to move them forward, you ask them for their email address. And in exchange for the email address, you send them to the information that they're looking for. The purpose of the opt-in page is to collect the email and also explain to your traffic a little bit more about the affiliate offer. Because in the front end right here with Facebook, you're only giving them a piece of information to pique their interest. Because on Facebook, you only have about 60 seconds to give people information about the affiliate product or service or a solution to that problem. Once you do that, they're going to be moved on to the bridge page. See, this is all done automatically within your funnel when you build it out in the funnel builder. So the bridge page acts as the next step to provide even more information about the affiliate product that you're promoting. It seals the deal and warms your traffic up to the idea of your affiliate product. It tells a little bit more about you. You can get more information on how an affiliate product is going to solve their problem and will change their lives depending on what the product is, how it will help them achieve what they want. So on this page, this is the last step before you will send them to the actual affiliate sales page. So now on this page, this is where you're going to attach your affiliate link that you're going to get from your affiliate partner. So once you get the information here, and you do your very best to explain how the product will solve their problem and help them achieve what they want in their lives, you're going to tell them to click a specific link to give them a call to action, as you can see right here, which will then send them to the affiliate sales page. And now once they get to the sales page, your job as an affiliate marketer is complete. Your job is done. Once they land here, it is now the other business's job to sell the product. And the affiliate product that I'm going to give you in this video has a very high conversion rate. It sells very well, and that's very important when you're selected an affiliate partner to work with. You want to see that they have a really great sales page that converts really well, regardless of what offer you promote it, because you don't want to be sending traffic to that sales page that doesn't convert. So again, I'm going to give you a very high converting, high ticket affiliate product that you can start promoting. You just have to hang on to the end of this video until I get through this process. And now, the last step as an affiliate is for your traffic to purchase. Now, when you decide to purchase on this page right here, that's where you're going to be commissioned. That's why it's also important to get that affiliate product and partner that knows how to convert the traffic, because once anyone buys when they get on this page, that's when you get paid. And this is the whole point of affiliate marketing. Now, I want to go back for a second to the email sequence here, because this is a very important part about how you're going to actually earn thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing. And there's a difference between just making a few dollars and $1,000 with your affiliate product. So now the dual purpose of the opt-in page that I talked about just a few minutes ago was when they enter the email address here, they will automatically get entered into your email list. And that's really important because everyone will not decide to buy once they get to your sales page the very first time. Sometimes people need a little bit more information about it. And what happens with this email sequence is you're ensuring that they don't forget about the product that you told them about. You want them to keep you in the back of their minds. And you want them to go back to the sales page, even if they don't decide to buy right then and there the first time. Even though you offer them the problem to their solution, your email campaign is going to send out a sequence of emails reminding them about the affiliate product, continue to provide value to them about how the product will change their lives and or solve their problem. So the great thing about the funnel is, again, that all happens automatically behind the scenes. You don't have to automatically send out these emails to your traffic, and once they add the email into the opt-in page here, they automatically add it to the list. And your emails will be sent out to them every day or every other day, depending on how your campaign is set up. What is important that you send out these emails because for people who don't buy here, you will be reminding them and providing value to them about the product. And a very high number of them will come back to the sales page and buy later. If you don't have this email sequence set up, you're missing out on a ton of affiliate sales and affiliate commissions because people will go through these secrets and they might not believe right away that the product will help them. So that's why you want to send them a follow-up email providing more value and more examples of how the product will help them. Another bonus tip that I want to share with you is, and this is a pro tip for affiliate marketers who really make the most amount of money online. This is where you want to add your backing offer right here. Now, we're talking about that image right here. You want to have a backing offer that complements your front-end offer. This is where in the emails, you will talk about your back offer. Now, this is an additional product that you can promote via automated emails that will help them get the results that they want with your front-end offer. Now, for me, my niche is make money online. So this product here is a complementary product that will help them create an online business and start making money with their online business. This is also why your email sequence is very important because it allows you to not only promote one affiliate product, but multiple affiliate products, all with the same traffic. Now, that pretty much breaks down what a sales funnel is in a two-dimensional view and how a sales funnel works. Now, I'm going to give you a live example from my own Facebook account. I also told you that I was going to share with you the exact how to take a product, and I also told you that I was going to give you that exact funnel builder that I used to create my funnel. I want to show you all of this information right now, and I'm going to walk you through the exact funnel right here. So step one is to start with your Facebook account. Now here, you can see my Facebook account on your screen right now. And as you can see, I don't have a lot of followers on this account because I post consistently daily. Each and every time someone sees my content, there's a potential to make a sale. So don't focus on followers or views. Focus on value and asking people comments and questions. You know, it doesn't take any specialized skills to be able to do this. There's no secret trick or hack to get people to engage. You just have to share your story, your why, your struggles. Just be personal, educate them, and entertain them. The main thing that you need to focus on is provide value to your audience. You need to know who you're talking to and how to provide valuable information to them that works alongside with your affiliate product that you're promoting, regardless what niche it is. So now let's dig a little bit deeper into the first step of the funnel. So step one is the content which you see right here. I post simple videos on my Facebook account to help people solve their problems, educate, and also catch their attention. Now, in these videos, I ask people to either follow me or comment with a link and ask them to click on the link in the comments. So now when you do that, it's going to take you to the very first step of the funnel, which is the opt-in page. So then you can see right here, I have a little bit of information about the affiliate product. I don't say what the affiliate product is right away, but I focus on solving the problem and touching on the pain points that the audience might have. So here you can read, I say, I can help you build a profitable online business, even if you're a complete beginner and don't know how to start. So most people will watch the content on my YouTube account, they're going to say yes to the statement right here, and that's very important. So then, if they want to get information to the provider, they have to click the button right here. Now, this is where, when they click the button, they're going to be brought into the email capture box. This is where I capture that email. And then when they put the email address in right here, they get automatically added to an email campaign, and I'll start sending the following emails to the email address that they provided. In most cases, people are going to put in a good email address because they want the information that you're going to be showing them on the next page. And once they enter the email, they're going to be brought to the bridge page. The bridge page is the last step that people will see in your funnel before they get sent to that affiliate sales page. It's really important that you explain more about the product and how it's going to solve their problems. And now we actually get to the very important part that you all have been waiting for. You can see the product is actually listed right here. And it's the 15-day online business builder challenge by Legendary Marketing. Now this product is very popular right now, and it converts very well. And with the 15-day challenge, it is a full step-by-step training teaching people how to start their very own online business and affiliate marketing. I actually took the training myself, and it's a really good, high-quality, top-tier training program that helps people solve their problem of not knowing how to make money online and or starting an online business. It takes them through a simple process of 15 days worth of training and teaches them how to start a high-profit, high-ticket affiliate marketing business. See, I spent thousands of dollars on programs, and this is the best one I came across. Now, on the bridge page, I actually explained more about how the 15-day challenge changed my life personally and how it can do the same to anyone. And it's important that you draw from your own life experiences so that people can feel related to what you're talking about. They feel the connection to you, and that gains trust with their opinion of the information that you're giving them. And if they trust you, they're more likely to click the button and take advantage of the product that you're offering. So now the bridge page is the last point before they move on to the affiliate offer. Now, I talked briefly about adding your affiliate link to this page. You can actually embed your affiliate link into these buttons. So it's very important that on this page, you'll tell the people to click these buttons to get the product that you're promoting. So now you can see, I have some follow-up videos here, some reviews, and I tell a little bit about my life. I have to get some examples of the results and other people that got it by using this product. So now once they reach the bridge page information, and they click on the button right here, this is where they're going to be taken over to the affiliate product page, the affiliate sales page. And now, if you remember from the beginning of the video, once your traffic is in, your job as affiliate marketing is complete. And now this is the beauty of affiliate marketing. There's no product shipping on your part. There's no customer service. There's no sales that you need to do. You just need to drive traffic to this page, and then your job is done. And then it's other businesses' job to sell the traffic. You've created content, you woke them up with your funnel, and now they're loading in. And now it's their time to decide whether they're going to purchase the product. The 15-day business builder challenge by Legendary Marketing, I mentioned this before, their sales funnel and sales pages convert very well. And once they decide to get started and continue with the 15-day business builder challenge and purchase, that's when you get paid a commission. I would say that the 15-day challenge is the nuts and bolts of an online business, and the quickest way to succeed is to model someone who has already had success through trial and error, ask questions, and implement what you learn. The thing about Legendary Marketing and the 15-day business builder challenge is that there's not just one product that they offer. It's called a hot ticket affiliate offer because Legendary Marketing has a sequence of products that they offer to your traffic. Legendary Marketing also has daily training inside the private Facebook group to share success stories of other affiliates. That's another reason why this page is a great fit for me. This is an educational platform, and they provide a training that people can use to have success online. Legendary Marketing actually pays their affiliates up to 40% commission on any sales that your traffic decides to purchase throughout the lifetime with Legendary Marketing. There has been new updates as well that will allow you to make passive and multiplestreamsofincome income within this program. This allows affiliates to promote 2 back-end offers so that you can earn passive income for the tools that people are going to be using to run their online business. And that's when it comes in every month, whether you're working or not. I doubt if your job pays that right now. And that's the opportunities that you have right now with this program right here. See, if you get your traffic to enter $7 product, which is actually easy to convert, and they decide later to purchase $25 product, you will also get a commission for that sale. So 40% of $2,500 is a $1,000 commission right there in your bank account. This is very important, and this is the key to making thousands of dollars online with affiliate marketing. In the online world, this training alone will teach you everything you need to know about getting started with making money with affiliate marketing. So now that brings it to the end of this process. We went through how you get your free traffic using Facebook. I showed you the exact funnel the opt-in page, the bridge page, and I even showed you the exact high-ticket front-end offer. Now, I know you're probably thinking, you're just still not sure how exactly to put everything together. So I want to do something very special for everyone that's stuck around to the end of this video. If you're really interested in getting started with this process and you want to use legendary marketing and Builderall as your affiliate products, I want to do something extra special. And I've actually pre-built a funnel for you to use. All you have to do is import it to your Builderall account and insert your links and start running traffic to it. Everything is pre-built. You can have the exact funnel that I've showed you in this video and start using it to promote affiliate sales for yourself. And you don't even have to use legendary for this funnel. You can switch it out and change it out for another affiliate product if you choose to. But I highly recommend legendary and the 15-day business builder challenge. Just because I know from experience, they are a really great high-ticket affiliate partner to work with. But if you really do want to get started, you can clone my exact business as I just showed you today. The exact high-converting funnel that I'm using right now to start getting sales within the 15-day business builder challenge and Builderall. Now, I'm also going to give you an additional bonus. My entire email sequence. As every email that I send out to my own traffic, you're going to get that built into the Builderall funnel. You don't have to build anything. The only thing that you're going to have to do is switch out the affiliate links and personalize the emails if you choose to. Which I suggest because this is your business and you want to share your personal story at the beginning of the email sequence. And you're actually going to have to go to the 15-day challenge as well to become an affiliate with legendary marketing. If you decide to go through with the affiliate product, I'm going to give you my exact business pre-built. This will be the fastest way that you can start sending commissions in your own online affiliate marketing business as soon as possible. 1,000 sales with this program right here, and you're going to become a millionaire, which is insane. You just have to make imperfect actions, but there is training. And you also have to be consistent and learn everything that's taught inside. I know this is all new to you, but we all started where you are. You start purchase the course and let it collect virtual dust. After you get inside, you have to continue to take action. Believe in the process. I hope this helps you learn how to start your own online affiliate marketing business so that you can start earning commissions as soon as possible. If you got any value out of this video, please like so that I know these videos help you out. Also, please do me a favor and comment any questions below. I want to provide as much value as I can. Also, comment below what you want to see next so I know exactly what kind of videos you guys want. And I'll continue to provide more content like this to help you out as much as possible. This is going to make a decision on how you can start your very own online business. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.